I really hope no one passes by because they can totally see me filming. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's styling video. I'm really excited about it because we are styling one of my favorite trends slash pieces for fall 2021, and that is wide leg trousers. They are so big right now. I mean, trousers in general, but specifically wide leg, and I'm totally here for it. I used to be the type where I didn't really like the idea of wearing trousers. They felt very corporate, very workwear, but I love the fact that they are in the season because it's totally opened my eyes to wearing them. I've been inspired by so many different ways that people are styling these, and especially seeing the casual styles is making them feel a lot more wearable. So for this video, I wanted to give you guys some outfit inspo and ideas for wide leg trousers. I'm gonna be styling two different ones. The first pair is actually what I'm wearing. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but these are a pair of like satin cream wide leg trousers. These ones are from Princess Polly and they are in a size 8, just in case you guys like them and want to get them. I am 4'11", so I did have to get these hemmed, so know that they do come much longer. And then the second pair I'm going to be styling are going to be these ones, also from Princess Polly. These ones are like a dark gray pinstripe pair, and what I love about these is that there's an elastic in the back, so they're very comfortable and stretchy. You can like sit down and they're going to kind of like expand with you and stuff. Definitely a good pair of trousers for eating if you plan on going out for like lunch or dinner in them. I'm going to be doing 3 outfits with the light pair that I'm currently wearing and then 3 outfits with the darker pair. But before we get into it, I just want to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. My name's Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell. And for everyone watching, please make sure to like and comment on this video. Let me know what your favorite outfit was, but we'll just go ahead and dive right in and get to outfit number 1. So first off, yes, we are shooting at a different angle just because it's starting to get darker earlier and I have more control of the light this way. I feel like that way is just more aesthetically pleasing, but lighting wise, this way is the better way because the window's here. No one asked for that information and it doesn't have to do with this first outfit, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. But anyways, for this first outfit, I decided to keep it very light and fresh. I know that that's not usually a thing for fall, but I feel like because it's neutral, it still works. And then you have the pop of the orange in here, which is very much a fall color because saturated primary colors are in. And while this is technically a secondary color, I feel like it still kind of hits that trend a little bit. But the top for this first look is from Boohoo. This is like a light marbled crop top. It has some faux ruching on the side here for a little detail. And then for shoes, you could totally go with booties. I just know that I'm gonna do booties with most of my looks. So for this one, I opted for a heel. These are from Surprise Surprise Shoe Dazzle. It's just like a clear heel. And then I added my movement sunglasses just to keep this like a little bit more casual. And then, like I pointed out before, my Simbono drawstring bag in orange. But I just like how light and airy this first outfit is. I think that would be great for like a really nice brunch with the girls, or you could totally wear this to work. Just kind of like pull the top down a little bit more so that it doesn't show any skin. And then you can trade in these heels for a pair of pumps. And it's a totally stylish look that you can wear to the office too. This next outfit is very much fall girl on the go, I feel like. So for the top, I went with this very oversized, super cozy, comfy sweater. This is from Urban Outfitters, and this was literally the sweater that every single blogger had last year. I decided to leave it long and untucked just because I wanted that very casual, cozy, on the go kind of vibe for this outfit. For shoes, I'm wearing the olive soft booties from Shoe Dazzle. I showed this in my fall boots Shoe Dazzle haul. And then to finish off the outfit, I'm wearing my new Coach Jazz crossbody bag, which I just unboxed in a previous video. And then I finished off the look with my Dressy backtracks in the dark tortoise. This is totally an outfit you would definitely expect to see me wearing on a Saturday if I'm like on the go. If I have a ton of errands, I might switch in sneakers for the booties, but if I'm just doing like a leisurely mall trip or something like that, maybe grabbing a very casual lunch with Trevor or something, this would be a go-to kind of outfit that I would definitely throw on for the fall time that incorporates these slacks. Then the last outfit before we switch over to the darker pair of trousers. For my top, I'm actually wearing a bodysuit. This is a snake mock neck bodysuit from Shoe Dazzle. There's going to be a lot of stuff from Shoe Dazzle in this video. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of Shoe Dazzle. But for the shoes, these ones are actually Dolce Vitas. These are the Whitney boots in sandstone. These were really big last year. Again, if they have them this year, I will link them for you, or I'll try to find some dupes for you guys because they are kind of pricey. But for the bag is not pricey at all. This is from DSW, and this is just like a big version of, I think it's like the Balenciaga bag. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? The one that's like woven. It has a little knot right here. It's the exact same structure, but just much smaller than this. This is like an oversized dupe of it. I really like this outfit. I love especially the pattern and the texture in this bodysuit. I think it just like elevates the pants. It gives it something a little bit more. And if you guys wanted to switch this out for a pair of heels or booties, I think that would make a really good work outfit as well. Especially with this bag, you can hold so much in here. This could definitely fit like an iPad in it. I don't think it could fit a laptop, but at least an iPad and like any notebooks and stuff that you have for work. So it's definitely a great everyday bag. But me personally, I don't go into the office as of now, and hopefully keep your fingers crossed that continues. But I would definitely wear this outfit out to dinner. If it was just like out to dinner at a bar or something, I would do this outfit exactly as is. But if I wanted to dress it up, if we were gonna go to like a fancy restaurant, all I have to do is throw on a pair of heels, and this outfit would totally work for both scenarios. Switching into the gray slacks, these ones, like I mentioned, are just like a pair of dark gray pinstripe slacks. And for this outfit, I wanted to do something that was a little bit more nighttime, but like nighttime bar hopping, not like nighttime fancy restaurant or anything like that. So I have on this black crop halter from Princess Polly as well. And just a heads up, I had a little assistant join me on the couch here, so you guys see movement here. Spartacus is right here. But back to the outfit. Over the halter top, I threw on this oversized leather jacket from Nasty Gal. And then for my shoes, I went with a pair of Chelsea lug sole boots. And then just for fun, I threw on my Chanel sunglasses. This would be something that you'd be wearing in the early evening, like right before the sun sets or as it's setting. Then just take it off because you don't want to be the crazy person wearing sunglasses at night. But I really love this outfit. It feels like very, very cool girl. You know, I just kind of like threw on all these pieces, but they still work, kind of a vibe. I just feel like you can throw on a leather jacket with pretty much any outfit and it just kind of like instantly pulls it together. It's one of my favorite pieces to style every single fall season. And I'm so glad that these lug sole Chelsea boots are back in this season. I'm obsessed with them. They were my favorite shoes last season, and I'm sure that they're gonna be my favorites again this season. But yeah, this is look number one with the gray slacks. Definitely a little bit sexier than any of the other outfits I've shown you guys, but like I said, this is definitely a kind of outfit that I would wear for like going out at night or something like that. So this next outfit, I think this one is my favorite one. I like to refer to this one as street style, but slightly dressed up. Hoping you guys are getting that vibe as well here. So to start, I just put on a black cropped t-shirt, and then I added these suede wedge booties from, you guessed it, Shoe Dazzle. And then over top is a piece that I've been dying to style. I really love this jacket. It is a little bit harder to style, but I feel like when you can work it into an outfit, it's just like such a fun piece, and it is definitely super street style. I got this jacket from Urban Outfitters a little while ago. It has the UO logo all over it with these like panels of green, and I honestly just died over it. It's very different from anything I have, but I am obsessed with it. And like Logo Mania is coming back for fall, so I think with the UOs all over it, it definitely fits into that like designer Logo Mania kind of a feel. And then for my bag, I just threw on my YSL Small Lulu, and that completed this outfit. Like I said, this one's definitely like my favorite outfit out of probably all of the outfits in this video. I would wear this pretty much anywhere. I would wear this out to dinner. Yes, even with this jacket. Obviously a casual dinner and not something at like Mastro's or someplace crazy fancy. I would wear this out and about on a weekend shopping. I don't even have to switch out the shoes for something more comfortable because these are wedge booties, so they're very, very comfortable even if I'm walking around a lot. I just overall, I feel really great in this outfit. I feel like it's such a good balance again between street style and something a little bit more dressed up and sophisticated. It definitely hits both those vibes, which I feel like is a hard kind of mixture to get, but this totally accomplishes it, and I am obsessed with it. And the final outfit is super casual. I feel like we got gradually more and more casual with each outfit. I did not intend that, but that's how it ended up. But for this outfit, this is definitely like an errands on the go kind of an outfit. This one is such a good weekend outfit. I went with this like slightly oversized cropped graphic crew neck sweatshirt. Unfortunately, this is from Target, but it was like years ago, so I can't link this exact one. I know for a fact they don't sell it anymore, but I have found some dupes in the past that I will link for you guys if you guys are interested in this kind of a look. And then for the shoes, since we're on the go, I went with these black She Dazzle high top sneakers. These ones are really cool. They actually have like some snake texture on them, which makes them kind of unique and different and just like dresses up such a casual outfit a little bit. And then to finish it off, I went with a baseball cap. I just feel like I haven't really done a baseball cap look in a little while, and I actually do really love baseball caps a lot. Like, they're one of my favorite accessories to wear, so I thought I would go ahead and throw it in on this outfit because it definitely worked with this. I went with this black one from Nasty Gal to match the accents on the sweatshirt and on the sneakers. And then for my bag, I threw on this Coach one. Again, I know that's brown from the front, but it does have black trim on it all around the edging and on the strap, which is like one of the reasons why I really love this bag. I can definitely wear it with a black outfit, or I can wear it with brown. I can literally wear it with any color because it has like both of those elements, which makes it very, very versatile. But yeah, like I said, this one would definitely be a go-to weekend look for me. I mean, don't be surprised if you guys see me on the vlogs wearing this one weekend, like if I have to do holiday shopping coming up in the next few months or something, because this is super comfy, but I still feel very stylish and elevated while also being comfortable and sporty. All right guys, but that is gonna be it for today's video. The sun has shifted, the lighting shifted, all of that. I had to like switch my filming setup because of that with the second outfit, so that is definitely telling me it is time to stop. I've actually been filming for quite a while because these outfit idea videos take a long time because you have to like change and stuff. So I hope if you've made it to this point of the video that you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making this video and styling all of these trouser outfits for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment. Let me know which outfit was your favorite. But I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I've got tons of clothes to clean up. So I love you guys, and I will see you very soon again in my next video. Bye.